Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add and create collections to your Shopify store. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your online store and go ahead to themes, and right here on your themes you're going to click customize. Here you'll want to add those collections, featured collections, but basically you want to add a section right there where you want to add collection list. This means that it will add some list of your items. Now let's leave it how it is. Let's go back here, and as you can see there are free collections, but when you click on this we don't actually have any collections here, as you can see, so we need to create one. So now you go ahead and save it and exit it. Now you go ahead here on product and you're gonna click on collections. And let's create a collection. So let's write down maybe accessories. And now let's leave it like that, manual. You can also add an image, but I will not do that to save time. Now you go back, you create another collection, save it, and again you go ahead and create another one. So apparel, and save it. Now you go ahead again to, as we have already free collections, you go ahead to online store, themes, and customize. And you go ahead to this collection, select collection, and you add, for example, accessories. Now you go back and add to another collection, another apparel, for example. And again, the last of our collection, dog supplies. And basically, when you will add image, it will look way better, but that's how you add collections to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.